Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2009 Kawasaki Vulcan 1700 Classic. If I got a treat for you, this thing is really, really gorgeous. Beautiful, beautiful looking, great curb appeal, really in pristine condition. Metallic black, it's got the running lights, the big windshield, total classic design. Big bore V-twin, fuel injected, liquid cooled. It's got floorboards, passenger backrest, and we're talking $49.99. You got to be kidding me. It's only got 8,300 miles, belt drive, 6-speed transmission. This is a hell of a bike for the money. Come on by and make your big bore cruiser dreams come true for just $49.99. It's not going to be here long. We have finance, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.